Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove duplicate Google business profiles. Let's get started. Duplicate business profile can confuse customer and hurt your search ranking. Here's how you can remove them properly. For that, first of all, sign into your Google Business Profile Manager and look for multiple listings with the same business name or address. Duplicate can also appear in your Google Maps search result. So once you're here, if the both profiles are under your account, decide which one to keep. Usually the one with the most reviews, photos, and accurate details. If one belongs to another user, you will need to request ownership. So, to remove or mark as duplicate, you want to go ahead and simply tap on businesses, and then you want to go ahead and simply select it, tap on actions, and then inside here you want to go ahead and simply tap on remove business or permanently closed. So after that, Google will review your request and remove the duplicate if verified. This can take a few days to a week. So once the duplicate is gone, update your remaining profile to ensure all business information is correct and consistent across the web. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.